Hi there, fashion enthusiasts. Today I'm excited to share with you a super easy and affordable DIY fashion project that you can do at home. In this video, we're going to be making a pair of custom-designed shoes using everyday materials. What you'll need: a pair of plain canvas shoes, fabric paint or markers, paintbrushes in various sizes, a drop cloth or old newspaper, clear sealant spray, scissors, pencil, ruler, erasable fabric marker. Step 1. Protect your workspace. Cover your work surface with a drop cloth or old newspaper to prevent spills and splatters. Step 2. Clean your canvas shoes. Wipe down your shoes with a damp cloth to remove any dirt or debris. Step 3. Sketch your design. Use a pencil and ruler to lightly sketch your design onto the shoes. You can freehand your design or use a stencil if you prefer. Step 4. Paint your design. Once you're happy with your sketch, start painting your design using fabric paint or markers. Be patient and let each layer of paint dry completely before adding another. Step 5. Add details. Use a fine-tipped paintbrush to add intricate details to your design. You can also use glitter, beads, or other embellishments to add some extra flair. Step 6. Seal your design. Once your paint is completely dry, apply a coat of clear sealant spray to protect your design and make it waterproof. Step 7. Let your shoes dry completely. Allow the sealant spray to dry completely before wearing your shoes. And there you have it. You've just created your very own pair of custom-designed shoes. These shoes are a fun and unique way to express your personal style, and they're also a great way to upcycle an old pair of shoes. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this DIY fashion video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more fashion tips and tricks.